In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product section in Hostinger Website Builder, whether you're looking to showcase a single product or multiple products. If you're familiar with creating websites and e-commerce elements, then you're in for a treat, as Hostinger's platform provides a straightforward way to build and customize your product offerings without a hitch. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Hostinger homepage. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in Hostinger's website address. Once you're there, you'll log into your account. If you haven't already signed up or logged in, make sure you have your credentials ready to access your dashboard. After you're logged in, it's time to gear your focus towards the next step. You'll be greeted with a variety of options and tools on your dashboard. Look for the Store option and give it a click. It's an intuitive selection. Right when you hover over it, you'll start to see the possibilities for setting up your e-commerce section unfold. Having arrived at the Store section, you'll notice a button labeled Add a Product. This is where the magic begins. Clicking on this button will allow you to create a new product entry. Whether you're dealing with a single intriguing product or you're introducing a catalog of items, this is your starting point. Now, once you've clicked Add a Product, you'll be directed to the Product section interface. This is a key area where you'll input crucial details about your products. Take the time to fill out every field available. You'll want to add the product name and description, and don't forget about the visuals. Uploading high-quality images can make all the difference to potential customers, so ensure that your photos are clear and catch the eye. At this stage, while you're setting up your products, remember to think about pricing. Enter the correct pricing details and consider whether you want to add promotional prices or discounts to entice buyers and subscribers. This part is important in how you present your offers and deals to potential clients. Finally, once you have all the information and multimedia uploaded and reviewed, take a moment to preview your page. This step ensures that everything appears as it should and offers a seamless experience to your future visitors. Make any necessary adjustments until you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions. With that, you have now successfully added a product section to your Hostinger website. Check out each product on your live site to confirm it's working as intended. Regularly review and update your offerings as needed. Remember, your online store is often the face of your business, so it pays to keep it looking sharp and operating smoothly. Happy selling, and thank you for watching.